Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. In today's tutorial we will explore the direct selection tool and see how it gives the precise control over anchor points. First, open your shape and zoom in so we can clearly view the path structure. Now select the direct selection tool to active individual anchor points. As you click on a portrait, notice how the handles instantly appear. Next, gently move on one handle and watch how they begin to reshape. Now adjust the opposite handle to balance the curves only. After this, select another point to refine the shape further. Slowly drag it outward to create a soft extension. Once done, shift to the nearby segment for smoother transition.